Not every story begins in comfort. Some begin in dust, struggle, and silence. But within those quiet beginnings lie the seeds of greatness. This is a story not just about shoes, but about stepping forward, no matter what you start with. In a quiet corner of the street, a young boy named Adam helps his father repair shoes. Nails, leather, and dust fill the air. This is his childhood workshop. While others rush to school, Adam learns the language of resilience in every stitch. Children pass by, laughing and carefree, their shiny shoes echoing on the pavement. Adam watches them, his own shoes patched and worn. He walks on, silently carrying his strength far beyond his years. Among heaps of garbage, Adam finds pages from old books, torn, dirty, almost forgotten. Yet to him, these words are treasures, little sparks of knowledge waiting to be understood. Each sentence he reads fuels a dream still forming in his young heart. One afternoon, a customer accidentally leaves behind a book on a bench. Adam picks it up carefully. It's a textbook about engineering. He may not fully understand it yet, but somehow he knows it holds the blueprint to a different life. Adam's father watches him quietly, then hands him a wrapped bundle, an old calculator saved up for with great effort. Use it well, his eyes seem to say. With this simple gift, Adam receives not just a tool, but a father's faith in his future. Years roll by. Adam studies under flickering bulbs, fixes shoes at dawn, and tutors younger children in the evenings. His clothes remain simple, but his mind grows sharper by the day. Each hour of effort is another step on a staircase only he can see. Now a young man, Adam walks into a university interview room, his heart pounding. The professor notices his shoes, hand-stitched with care. When he asks, Adam simply nods. That nod speaks of patience, skill, and a story no resume could capture. As an adult, Adam stands tall, not just as an engineer, but as a mentor and giver. He hands out school kits and shoes to children from communities like his. Success hasn't changed him, it has deepened his purpose. At the edge of the street where it all began, Adam smiles as children walk by with bright eyes and new bags. He remembers his journey, not with bitterness, but with quiet pride, because when the world gave him scraps, he built a future. You don't need perfect tools, perfect shoes, or a perfect path to succeed. Just the courage to keep walking. Let Adam's story remind us even the smallest steps can lead to the biggest changes. If this inspired you, share it because someone out there might need a reason to keep going today. Thank you.